Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. We are back in our coffee binder today. We have our $75 here. If I remember correctly, we had an IOU in here last time. Yes, for $1. So we're gonna go ahead and pay that IOU. $1. Boom. All right, let's get into this. So this is from Eliza Budgets for $3. 2 and 3. Now has 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21. So I am going to grab 20. 21 it is. Budgeting with Kim, fueled by Jesus and Coffee. I got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 5. $5 going in here, bringing our grand total to 20, 35, 37, and 38 out of 50. This one is Pothead by Cash Money Budgets. We're going to add another $3 to this. Bringing our grand total in here to 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, and 21. So I'm going to grab another $20 bill. Like I said, most of our challenges are going to be ending on the same day. All right. This is from Bookish Mama Budgets. Purple for the top, pink for the side. So we have 5 and 3. 5 and 3 we already have. 5 and 3, that is the orange one. That is $1. We're going to be adding $1 to this one today. We have 10, 11, 12, and 13. Slow and steady with this one, it looks like. This is also from Cash Money Budgets. It is Cappuccino Coffee. I'll roll D6. We got a 1. So $1 more going in here. And this now has 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 24. This is a new one that we added in last week. It says no coffee, no worky. This is from Budget Basset Mom. So we are just gonna roll a dice, and that is a 6. Let me grab some change so I can grab 6. Okay. So $6 to start this one. Party Planner Papery. We got a 1, so we will go right here. And I like the fact that when I got this bundle for her challenges, they are all different increments. That is $5. We now have 20, 45, and 47. This is a $60 savings. Divine Savings Co. We are going to roll that 6-sided dice and color in a 2. And add 2 to this. We now have 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21. So there we go. GK Designs and Budgets. Add another $5 to this bad boy. And this one now has 20, 30, and 5. $35. Out of 60. Charlene saves. Put another $3 in here. I do have a 2, so I'm going to grab a 5. Then I'm going to take these 2 5s and grab a 10. And then I'm going to take these 2 10s and grab a 20. 21. All right, another one of Party Planner Papery. We have a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 7. So 5, 6, 7. We have 25, 30, 2, 4, and 5. So 35. So I'm going to grab a 10 from here. So we have 35 out of 50. And then we're actually going to roll our 4-sided dice because this only goes up to 4. And that is a 4. So 2 and 4. So this one now has 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Okay, precious budgets. We're going to roll. We only have 3 more rolls left on here, and that is a 2. $2 added onto here. So we have 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Yep, $19 in here. Planner budgets, each of these are 3. So we will do another one. Add our $3. 10, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21. Getting onto the theme. Like I said, all of these are probably going to be ending around the same time. And we got a 1 for Boss Babe budgets. I do have a 1, so I'm going to grab a 2. We now have 25, 27, 29, 30. So I will grab one of these 5s just for the sake of change, and then I will grab these 2 and grab a 10. So $30 in this one. We have our coffee book. We are going to be finishing another page. That is a 5. $5. We now have a total of, oops, 45. The Coffee Book by Brandy Janae. All right, so let's see our next card here. We got the heart. And that is also $3. I have a 2, so I'm going to put the 2 back and grab a 5. So these 2 sections now have $17. So let's do this. Okay. This goes in with our finished cards. And back to the front. We still have somewhat good amount of money. So let's see what else we're gonna do for these. Got a 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's a 5. All right, with Budgeting with Kim. Now we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41. I'm going to take the 10 and 2 5s and grab a 20. This one, GK Designs and Budgets. I'm going to add another $3. 2 and 3. And this one is up to $24 now. I have a feeling we might have an IOU on this one, but we are going to go for it. Let's see which one we're going to roll. And that's the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's a 9. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a $2 IOU. $2 IOU. For this one. All right. And what's funny is this is the one we ended on last time. All right. That is it for the coffee binder today, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.